Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your profile picture in Photoroom. Go ahead and open Photoroom, which is on your phone. Now to change your profile picture, the first thing you need to do is press your content, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now tap on your account and then you can see the photo option on the top of your screen. Tap on the photo and go to gallery and choose gallery, and you can choose which photo you want to upload. It will scan the photo and you can see that it has personalized the background, and you can choose this personalized background. Tap on the one you want and you can see that your profile picture has been changed. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is open Photoroom on your phone, go to your content, tap on account and tap on the pen icon or the photo icon, and you can change the photo or even remove the photo. I hope this video about how you can change your profile picture in Photoroom was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.